Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your login credentials for the Alpha Alumni Directory using the temporary password you have received. So in just a few easy steps, I'll walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. So the first step is logging in with the temporary password. So open your email and you would have received 3 emails from Alpha. Okay, it would be in your primary inbox. If it's not in your primary inbox section, it will be either in the spam section, spam folder, or in the all emails folder. So click on the second email which says Alpha Alumni Directory login credentials. Once you enter it, you'll find the temporary password over here. So copy the temporary password and click on the URL, and it will direct you to this page. Enter the email over here and temporary password below. If it shows an error, then instead of your email, enter your full name over here and click on login. You can also check the keep me signed in box. So once you log in, it will take you to the Alpha Alumni Directory page where you will find the everyone's profile over here. So what you can do now is enter your name in the search box and click search, and your profile will appear. And click on your profile now, and it will take you to the profile page. In the top right corner you'll find the settings option. Click on it and click on my account. So click on my account. It'll take you to the account page where you'll have two options, accounts and change password. Click on the change password. Now enter the current password, your temporary password which you found it in the email. So copy the current password, the temporary password, enter it, and enter a new password over here. Make sure your password is easy for you to remember, and once you enter it, click on update password. So once you click on update password, you'll find a success message as your account was successfully updated. And that's it. You have successfully changed your login credentials. If you have any issues or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at actechalfa@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.